Welcome to my channel. My name is Lorraine and I help people live with passion, purpose and positivity. And the topic of today's video is there's no going back. Wow, what can that be? If you want to know more, carry on and watch this video. There's no going back when you know this. And what is that? And that is the placebo. Have you heard of the placebo? Dr. Joe Dispenza, who's a doctor and neuroscientist, he's done many experiments about the placebo. It's where when people have an operation or they've got a disease and the doctors give them a tablet, just like a sugar pill, then people are cured. Or if they have an operation and they didn't do the operation, their knee or whatever gets better. So what is the placebo? The placebo is about your belief. This is why I'm saying there's no going back when you know this. And it's showing you how powerful belief is. If you believe that you're going to have an amazing life full of wonderful things and wonderful people and loads of money and everything, if you can truly believe that, that's what will happen to you. I mean, Dr. Joe Dispenza does, as I said, has done many experiments and it's now scientifically proven about the placebo effect. In fact, he's written a book called You Are the Placebo. Because what happens is, when they give you that sugar pill, you create the hormones and the substances to cure that illness and that knee. And this is big, isn't it? This is really big. And he goes on to teach people how to meditate. People who've got stage 4 cancer have gradually been cured through using their mind and their belief and using the placebo effect. I mean, he does an experiment where he puts a certain group of people, say 10 people in a group where they're reading about playing the piano and actually doing it. And they learn the piano in about 2 weeks. And then another set of people, they just look at the music and they learn the piano just by doing that. So your mind is very powerful. And I say, use the placebo in your life. You know, if something's not quite to your liking in your life, change your belief around it. You know, change your thoughts and your feelings and your actions around it. Like I say in a lot of my videos, you've got to be consistent. So yeah, use the placebo effect. It'll have a great effect on your life. And when you do it, and when you get evidence of it, there's no going back. No going back. Your life will never be the same again. I hope you enjoyed this video and it helped. If it did, please press the like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. Have a fabulous day, everybody. Blessings to you, my friends. Much love and namaste.